VoodooDE.
What's up guys, welcome back to virtual reality. Today I again had a package in front of my door and this is the Zungle Viper. I didn't expect that. So this is a smart glass, like I told you on my English channel some days before, the Bose frames. Do you remember the Bose frames? And this is pretty the same, but this one doesn't have speakers. It has bone conduction, so the sound is inducted into your bones. This is awesome. So check out the package here. That looks like a coffee. It actually looks like a coffee bag. So yeah, they sent me two of them. I have no idea why. So I unboxed already one on my German channel. So I have this stuff here and we will have a look now. So this is a package with the lens here. And also this one, we have a blue and a black one. That's this. Then we have a manual that they show us how to put it on and volume and stuff, a warranty guide, and then a very strange cable. I have no idea how to use that, but I will show you. Look at this. So here's USB, but what the hell is that? I don't really know, but I will figure this out. I hope so. And now we have the Zungle glasses here. This is in a nice package here. And I will show you. Oh yes. So. Yeah. I'm so cool. Look at this. This is pretty awesome. However, it's plastics, okay? It's the same material than the Bose frame, so it feels a little bit cheap. It feels like a 3D glasses from a 3D movie in a cinema. That's it. But it's the same with the Bose frames, so there's no really big difference. So let's check it out a little bit closer now. It's this. Here's absolutely nothing on the top, and on the front, on the bottom, sorry, there is a on-off button. We have this button is for Google Assistant or Siri, and this is the bone conduction stuff. Bone conduction on the other side as well. And here are some holes. I have no idea why, because I think they don't have a speaker included. So I'm not sure. Oh, I see now. Here you can reload it here. Look at this. You can recharge it here. I didn't see that in my German video. That's nice. So I will try this out, of course, and I will tell you what I think about it. The Bose frames were too expensive for me, to be honest, because that were only sunglasses with speakers included. And I'm really looking forward to the sound of this bone conduction stuff. So this is hopefully cool. We will see. So let's check it out. Okay guys, now I had the time to try it out. And listen to music and walk around outside and checking environments and everything else, how it feels, how it looks, how the sound is like, and yeah, I can give you my opinion now. However, the connection was good. I connected this to my smartphone, Android, and that was not a problem. You can push every buttons that works. However, they are very hard to find, the buttons. I still cannot find the volume up and down. We have volume up and down, then switch to the next song or activate Google Assistant or Siri, and of course switch off and on. This works, this is not a problem. And yeah, so you perhaps want to know how the music is. How is the sound? How does it compare to the Bose frames? So guys, I really need to be honest now. This is worst. This is the worst sound I've heard for a long time, to be honest. I cannot say this is really good. It feels like, I don't know, I expected something, wow, this is so cool sound, it's bone conduction and stuff, but it's not. It feels like sometimes you get a present from a company, this little Bluetooth plastics speaker you can connect to your Android phone. Even they are better than the sound of the Zungle Viper, to be honest. This is not good, not good. So the problem is also, I thought, to be honest, that via bone conduction, the guys around me, people standing around me, cannot listen to the music or cannot listen to what I talk about, or my phone partner that is speaking to me. But this is not the case. So we will try this out. I will put it on maximum and let's listen to that. Do you hear that? I will hear. So I think when I hold it like here, I can exactly hear what music is playing. So this is you cannot hide this, and this is the problem that I thought would be a advantage of the Zungle Viper, that other guys don't hear it, but this is not the case, guys. So the sound quality is very bad, and also your environment can exactly hear what you hear. So let's compare it to the Bose frames. Give me a second, I will put this into my pocket here, so we can compare it. So let's switch it on. This is the Bose frames, and let's switch the other one off so we can connect to the other device. Turned off. You have to push the button for 2 seconds and then it's turned off. And now the Bose frames are turned on. And now let's check it out again. Where is this the same song? Damn. Give me a second. This is the right one. Yeah. I will hear it. So when I hold it like this, I can also exactly hear what this thing is playing. So it's much louder than the Zungle Viper. That's because the volume is double. It's awesome. I told in my review that the Bose frames have bad sound. I hope you saw my review about this, but the Zungle Viper has even worse sound, much worse than the the Bose frames. So this is I could not believe that there is even a smart glass that it's even worse than the Bose frames. Oh my god. So, however, when we compare the both of them, I can show you. I hope this is focusing. Oh damn, like this. Okay, so this is the Bose frames and this is the Zungle Viper. So the design of the Zungle Viper is cooler, in my opinion, than the Alto. Why I always say Alto, than the Bose frames. So, but the sound is much better with the Bose frames, although it's worse. It's bad. So I cannot recommend any of them. So the Bose frames are 200 bucks and the Zungle Viper is 150 bucks, but I cannot recommend to buy that, guys. The sound is so bad and everybody around hears what you are listening to. You cannot go to the subway and hear your music because everybody around you will hear that. That's not good, really. However, guys, if you want to buy that, I will put the links under this video, and yeah, then you can buy it, but I cannot recommend to buy any of them, as I told before. Okay, guys, however, if you want to support me so that I can try the newest stuff, and you can do that via Patreon, $1 per month would be awesome. You can find it under the video, and this would be really great. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality. See you!
VoodooDE